We saw a little while ago Donald Trump announce his new policy on Afghanistan. We saw Trump placing the blame of the failures of the United States on the shoulders of Pakistan. We saw the United States ignoring the sacrifices, the tragedy, the tearing under of our society. And then we saw two days ago that the Vice President of the United States has the gall, has the audacity to say that he puts Pakistan on notice, that Pakistan is a sovereign state and is not in the habit of taking notices from anyone, least alone the United States.